In this FM Web tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the MiX Insight reports. With the MiX Insight reporting suite, it is possible to report on both driver and vehicles. For now, as a new user of FM Web, it is a good practice to always ensure that you have selected your vehicles, drivers, locations, events, and dates in your selection criteria before starting. The reports are divided into different categories, with the data ranging from overview to detailed. We have fuel, movement, scoring, trip, event, list, and RAG driver scoring reports. A report that's on its own is the Dutch tax reports, and we also have reports specific to devices, and this is the Rovi reports and the driver and vehicle safety report, which is specific to the mobile eye device. Next to each report category, the number displays of how many reports are available. It is possible to have reports emailed to your inbox daily, weekly, or monthly. To enable this feature, click on Report Subscription. Select a report category, the required report, and choose whether you would like the report emailed daily, weekly, or monthly. Enter one email address or multiple email addresses. You have the option to choose from 4 different formats. Lastly, choose what to report on. Depending on your choice, you will need to select different parameters and assets. Select your date range and then click Save. As soon as you click Save, the Manage Subscriptions page is displayed. The Manage Subscriptions page is also accessible by clicking the menu item located on the left. Here you can edit or delete email subscriptions. Clicking on Edit will take you to the subscription screen for that specific report, and then click Save, which will take you back to the Manage Subscriptions page. To delete the report, simply click the Delete button next to the report. This option should be used with care as there is no prompting and the report is deleted. If you are not receiving your reports via email, ensure that your email client is not pushing the reports to your junk mail folder, so look there first. If your junk mail folder is empty, then go back to your report subscription and ensure that the assets you want to report on have been selected and that your date range is what you expected it to be. For further detail, please remember to consult the help file. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial.